first burn on the Elmira Fireview. Today is actually the second day I'm burning my stove. So I have a lot hotter temperatures, and I just want to go through and give you what these temperatures are, because yesterday the temperatures that I gave were a lot lower because it literally was just after one small fire. So these temperatures are going to be much more accurate for everyday burning. Over the cooktop we have 630 degrees. Middle panel is operating at 755 degrees. All the way to the right, your coolest section is operating at 380. Oven is reading 300 degrees right now, but interior, far right hand wall is 600. Over here, got 580. Back, we're operating at 490. Top of the oven, we got 625. So these temperatures are going to be much more accurate for everyday burning.